Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just gonna do a little update for you guys. I'm in the garage now, pretty cleaned up, as you can see. Much more space around the Beetle now. You can see the orange Beetle in there. I was gonna do a video on that, but Eric decided that he wanted to clean it up a bit, give it a wash before I could show it to you guys out in the sunlight. So who knows when that's gonna happen? Probably next week. Hopefully that video comes out soon because I told you guys about it 2 weeks ago. But as you can see, my Beetle's in the garage. It's all cleaned up around it. Stuff has been happening to it. I mean, I did some welding down here. I gotta clean it up, and over there, because the welds at the pillars onto the heater channel were not, they weren't full welds, they were like tacks. So I wanted to fill those up a bit. Let's see, what else has happened? I've started getting all the parts out of it. If you saw the video that Jason put up of him bringing it here, this thing was full of parts. Now we're down to a few fenders and some seats and stuff. That's pretty good. Everything that was in here, all my parts are getting organized. You know, except for that fender, that was just over there. But over here is an old dresser that I have filled with parts. Every single drawer has some amount of parts in it that were in a one of those totes that you would get at like Kmart or something, Walmart. And I moved everything out of the tote into here. Now this is over here. There's some parts on top, you know, seat belts, steering column. This is interesting, little thing. 67 is a solid column, so this thing's not here. So in the event of a crash, the steering wheel just goes out into the passenger area. But with this, from a 68 and up, it would collapse like a more modern car. And it's just it's not just take the old one out and put it in. There's a little, I think you have to put a little shim under the gas tank, but you know, compromise for safety, just like the seat belts. In here, you know, you can see the floor is a little rusty. Just gotta clean that up a bit. You can see light poking through there in the wheelhouse. I'm gonna fill those welds up soon. I can probably do that today, actually. But just wanted to give a little update for you guys. Garage is clean, coming along. Videos will actually be happening soon. See the 7-Eleven sign? That's going up on the wall, I think. I'm gonna put a light behind it. The welder, got a new welder a while ago. It's not actually new. It's a Miller 135. I got it at the Stafford swap meet. It's awesome. Pretty comparable to the Eastwood I was using before, but I saw this and thought I would just get it because, you know, it's a Miller. Nothing against the Eastwood, but it's just awesome. Yeah. Just wanted to give you guys a little update. The orange Beetle, it's a little dark. I can't really turn the light switch on. It's a little dark in here, but video on this soon. Like I said, it's a very original car, except for the metallic clear coat someone put on with these pinstripes. But very original car, very cool car that I'll have to do a full walk around on soon. This car hopefully is out of the garage soon and on the road. Not much, it looks like there's a ton, but a lot of the metal work's already done and it's just finishing the welds and stuff. So hopefully. I always say April. Maybe actually April though, because there's not that much left. But that's the end of the video. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want, because there's going to be more Volkswagen stuff always, you know, when I actually put videos up. So yep, that's the end. Hope you liked it. Make sure to check out Jason's channel. Link in the description to that. He's awesome. E-Man, check them out. CT Moog, he's got an awesome bus. Check him out too. But that's the end. I'll see you in the next video.